In this video, we are adding unlike fraction, means those fractions which have different denominator. So here we see that this fraction as 3 over 4 and this fraction as 2 over 4 and we are adding both of the fraction. But here is the problem that both of the fraction have different denominator. So to add these both of the fraction, these fraction must have the same denominator. So to make the denominator of both of the fractions same, we have to multiply 3 over 4 by this 3 and 2 over 3 by 4. Because these both of the fraction must have same denominator. So we will make the numerator and denominator from this 4. So write 4 as numerator, which is 4 over 4, and denominator, which is 4. And write the 3 as numerator and denominator, which is 3 over 3. Now multiply this 3 over 3 with this 3 over 4. It is very easy method, and this 4 over 4 with this 2 over 3. So write it simply 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 4. Now 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 3 is 12. Write this plus sign. 2 times 4 is 8 and 3 times 4 is 12. Now we see that both of the fractions have the same denominator. Mean we converted this fraction 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 to 9 over 12 plus 8 over 12 from unlike fraction to like fractions. So now we can easily add both of these fractions. So write any one of the denominator, which is 12, and add the numerator as usual. So 9 plus 8 over 12. So 9 plus 8 is equal 17 over, write the denominator, which is 12. So we see that 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 become equal to 17 over 12, which is the final answer. Now we are adding another unlike fraction, which is 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Here we see that here the denominator of this fraction is 2 and here the denominator is 4. So again we want to add both of these fractions. But the main problem is that the denominator of both of the fractions are different. So we have to make both of the denominator same. To make the denominator both of the fractions same, we have to make the numerator and denominator from this denominator. So write 2 is 2 over 2 and 4 is 4 over 4. Multiply this 4 over 4 with 1 over 2 and this 2 over 2 with 3 over 4. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 4 plus 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 2. So write 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 2 is 8. So write the denominator, because both of the denominator are same, so write any one of the denominator, which is 8, and add the numerator as usual. So 4 plus 6 is equal 4 plus 6 over 8 is equal 10 over 8. Write the denominator as same. So 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 is equal 10 over 8. Again, we can easily simplify this fraction 10 over 8. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. So it will become 5 over 4. So again we see that 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 become equal to 5 over 4. That is the final answer.